everyone. I am Anika Vea Dayaw, and my title is about the importance of academic integrity in education. And today, I want to talk about something that lies at the heart of real education academic integrity. When we hear that phrase, we might think of rules against cheating or plagiarism. But academic integrity is much more than just following rules. It's about honesty, responsibility, and respect for knowledge. It's about doing the right thing even when it's not the easiest thing to do. In every academic setting, where it's a classroom, a research lab, or even an online course, integrity is what gives meaning to our efforts. When we complete our own assignments, study hard for exams, and give credit where it's due, we are not just proving what we know, we are proving who we are. On the other hand, when we work with integrity, we build confidence in ourselves. We learn to rely on our own abilities and ideas. We also gain the respect of our teachers and peers. Integrity strengthens the foundation of our learning. It turns information into wisdom in, and effort into genuine success. So, how do we practice academic integrity? We start by being truthful in our work, in our words, and in our actions. We take responsibility for our mistakes instead of hiding them. When we respect the work of others by giving proper credit, and most importantly, we believe that our effort matters, that our learning journey is worth doing the right way. As students, we have the power to create a culture of integrity, a community where honesty is valued, effort is celebrated, and everyone is encouraged to grow. Let's be proud of our work, no matter how small, because it is ours. In the end, grades and awards may fade, but integrity stays with us forever. It becomes part of who we are, a mark of true education. That's all. Thank you for listening.